Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, lasers, milling machines, water jets, and much more since 1954. This is one of our favorite brands, Accurpress Brake. It's a great brand, one of the best you can definitely get for the money. It's a really nice, unique design as well. This is a 175-ton, over 14-foot overall. Usually 175 tons is going to be a lot larger of a machine. This machine has a unique little grasshopper type hydraulic system which allows you to really bring it down, and it's also all above the ground, so there's no pit going anywhere. Simple controller here, really nice, easy to see. It's a 3-axis machine. We've got everything set up right now. We're going to go ahead and cycle it through. You'll see the back gauge move in and out to each position, as well as the ram going up and down. You notice a quick approach, a slow form, and a quick retreat. Now you can set that up where you're going to be, obviously, depending on your dies. You can see the back gauge is moving to the next position. We've got 7 steps here in our job. Now that R-axis makes it really nice to not have to have your operator go to the rear of the machine each time to have to raise it if you're making different material coming up or anything. And step number 7. Now we've gone through this machine, everything's been cleaned, painted, cycled. We've gone through all the hydraulics, made sure everything's functioning properly. You can see it's a really nice, smooth running machine. Here's a really nice big Amada 165-ton punch press. Got a lot of different machines here at Sterling. They're in stock. We go through everything, make sure it's all functional. Piranha, Atlantic. Got a nice, beautiful Cincinnati quarter 12 shear here with front CNC gauging. 175-ton, 12-foot Accurpress brake. Another one there. We have more in the shop, more shears in the shop as well. We love Accurpress. It's a great brand. Now, depending on what you're looking for, if you have an Accupress, or maybe you have a Cincinnati, or even an older machine, Russell or Niagara, we'd love to be able to trade out for you, get you something that you want, get you the right machine you need. Give us a call at 626-444-0311. You can check out our website with financing options at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.